Hi guys, how are you all? I hope all are safe and doing good. In this video, I'm going to discuss about insert into command. That is why we are using this insert into command and how we can use. All these are discussed in this video. First of all, insert into command is used to insert new records into a table. Why we are going to use this insert into command means, suppose we have some data. That is, we are going to store this data in table format, right? So if we want to insert some new records into that table, so we are going to use this insert into command. It is possible to write the insert into statement in two types. Uh, to write this insert into command, we have two types of commands. That is two ways. That is, firstly we are going to specify both the column names and values to be inserted. So in this example, we are going to insert both the columns and values. First syntax is insert into table name. That is, we are going to specify columns also here. And values of values, whatever the values we want to give, those values are going to insert it here. If you are adding values for all the columns of the table, you do not need to specify the column names in the SQL query. Suppose we are going to assign the values to all the columns in a table. So we don't need to specify these columns. We can directly give these values. So here we have syntax. Insert into table name values of values which we have to insert. I will explain these with some example. That is, here we have one table, that is orders table. Here we have customer ID, product name, a product price. That is, we have some data which is stored in a table. So, but I want to insert some data into this table. That is, I want to insert customer ID, product name, product price, two more customer IDs and all. So for this, we are going to use this insert into command. Suppose I want to insert only product name. I don't want to insert this customer ID and product price. Now we are going to use this first syntax. That is, we are going to specify insert into table name, that is orders, column name. Which column we want to insert, that is product name. Here we are going to insert a product name and values of the product name which we want to insert. That is, I want to insert uh, some product, that is, I want to insert some toothpaste. That is also one of the product, right? So here I'm going to insert a toothpaste. So it's going to insert into this table. The values which we do not insert, it's going to take null values, right? And now I will explain this with an practically. So here, see, here we have orders table, right? So I'm going to select all the columns from this order table. Select star from orders. See, we got all the columns which we have in this orders table, right? Now I want to insert one one row, that is one row. Now how we can insert? I want to insert all the columns. So that means which syntax we have to use? I want to insert all the columns, right? So no, don't need to specify the column name. So insert into table name, that is orders. of values of whatever the values we have to mention. Here we have customer ID, right? Customer ID, I'm going to give 8, comma. Now I want to insert toothpaste, right? So toothpaste, comma, product price. Product price is 30 rupees. See, I'm going to insert this data, right? Inserted successfully. I will display all the data. See here, toothpaste has been inserted, right? So now I want to insert only product name. I don't want to insert customer ID and product price. Here we are going to use this syntax because we want to specify only specific column. We don't want to specify. We don't want to insert all the columns. So here we have to insert specify the specific column. Insert into orders. That is a table name of column name. Whatever the column, product name, right? Product name, values of, here we mention product name, right? So we can give directly product name. That is papers. Right? So I'm going to insert these papers into it has been inserted. I will show the output. See here. Papers has been inserted. The columns which we doesn't uh, specify, those are taken as null values. Right? In this way, we can insert many of the values. See here, orders. Now I want to give two computers 3 lakhs. And now I'm going to give two more values. 4, 6, trains, slippers. Right? Now I'm going to insert these values. It has been inserted. Right? I will display the output. See, here we got all the inserted values. In this way, we are going to use this insert into command. We can use to insert single value or multiple values, or we can specify a specific column which we have to insert and all. That's all about insert into command. For more classes, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.